Oh no, 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 no. Yeah. Oh no, 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 no.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome to Majestic Love. Today I will be trying on some fashionnova outfits that I purchased during quarantine. That was supposed to be my little, let's say, birthday trip clothes. So I'm gonna call Courtney right now and I'm gonna let him react to these outfits on the camera, on the iPhone. So I'm gonna call him right now. I'm gonna try it on and then we're gonna get his reaction, okay? All right. Hurry up and answer this damn phone. Hey baby, what's up? So you're live on Majestic Love. Say hi.
What?
You're live on Majestic Love. Say hi.
Serious?
Say hi. Anyways, I'm gonna try on those fashionnova outfits and you're gonna react to it. Cool? So I'm gonna try it on and I guess I'll capture your reaction for Majestic Love since we can't be in person. Alright? So just call me back. I'm gonna call you back when I'm ready, okay? Babe, how much I give it out of 10?
About 6.
6 out of 10? You a savage. Okay. Alright,
Yeah,
next one.
Look, average.
Alright, next one. Damn, you gotta kill my self-esteem.
Definitely a 9.
9 out of 10?
You look so sexy.
Aww,
yeah,
thank you. Thank you, babe. You really like this better than the other one?
Yeah. Yeah, that one was basic. Me say that but that one, yeah, really sexy on it.
Alright, babe. Next one. Alright, baby. What's your evaluation of this one?
Not really feel that one there.
Okay. What's your rating?
4-5.
Why don't you like it? It's too basic?
Yeah, not spectacular.
Okay.
No,
Alright.
No, it just short. Just that silly.
Alright. It's short, right? I think it's short too. Alright, next one.
Yeah, just
okay, baby. What's your evaluation of that one?
I'm definitely like that. 8.5.
8.5 out of 10?
Yeah, it look good, man.
KK. So it's a go for you.
But round up the night and then
Okay, bye. Bye. What's your evaluation of this one?
Second, 9.
9 out of 10?
Yes,
you really like this one.
Yeah.
9 out of 10. You think we can top this?
Yeah. Let's see.
Uh-huh. Tell the people. Scale of 1 to 10. 9 out of 10.
In a reach 9, I like it.
How much did I get? Strong 8?
Okay.
Strong 8.
Look good, but not really want me like me.
Huh?
Look good, but I know me want to dig my ears.
Okay. What? How much do you give it?
6.
6? Okay, 6 has been the lowest score you give so far. So
5.
you give 5 to which one?
Burgundy one.
Oh yeah. Okay. Alrighty.
Yeah.
I see
That
ya.
was strong 8.
Strong 8. Alright, Courtney, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate it?
8. 8.
A 8? Really? Why 8?
Yeah. It's nice. I like it.
But why lose the points
6.
for?
Hmm?
What did it lose points for? Hmm?
Too much clear.
Okay, alright.
Give him an 8 for that one there. That one look nice.
8 out of 10. You think I can top this?
See, you have the top 9, that's it.
Which one was 9?
Black one.
The black one with the thing at the back?
Yeah, it was 2.
So none of them has gotten 10 out of 10. You're such a hard judge, yo.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, later let's see which one is gonna make it to the 10 if none make it to 10. Tell the people how much. 7 out of 10? Alright, look at the earrings. What do you think?
Can't see. Yeah, earrings.
How much? Earrings get an 8? Okay. Next. You give this one an 8? Damn, why?
They know that puppy is quite as it is probably in time you see in a person.
Maybe when you see it in person, it's cute. I like it. Alright, one more to go and that's it. Then you're off the hook. Cool? Not really. Anyway. Really quickly.
Definitely a 10.
10? You would definitely make this one a 10, right? Cause you know that one already.
I know the one. I picked that one.
Yeah, you did.
I know.
10 out of 10. Okay. Alrighty.
So it's at the 10.
Alright.
Full 10.
Tell the people I'm buying that you miss me. And you can't wait for this
Bye.
quarantine to
See you
be
guys.
over.
Well, let's go live through quarantine, isn't it?
Really?
Yeah.
Can't wait for quarantine over. So you can really see me wear these. Yeah? Alright, bye. Say Majestic love, say